Hello everyone, during this TRIC-car tutorial number 10, we will review the magnetic flux leakage definition, how to measure the leakage inductance, how to calculate the leakage inductance with several layers, and the definition of the mutual inductance. The primary coil generates a magnetic flux. By definition, the magnetic flux leakage is the flux which is not seen by the secondary coil. To measure this magnetic flux leakage, we short the secondary and we measure the leakage inductance from the primary side. To visualize the magnetic flux leakage, we can use the transformer physical model shown on the TRIC-car tutorial number 9. If we short the secondary, d phi over dt equals 0. Phi equals also 0, so the NSIS voltage source will force a voltage on the magnetic circuit to get the magnetic flux to be 0 in the secondary magnetic branch. If the magnetic flux is forced to 0 in the secondary coil, the primary coil will see the flux flowing in the air and in half of the magnetic circuit reluctance R over 2. As the air reluctance is much higher than the half reluctance of the magnetic circuit, we can assume that the total leakage reluctance is almost the air reluctance. The leakage inductance seen from the primary side is Np squared divided by the air reluctance. As we saw on the TRIC-car tutorial number 4, the magnetic flux in the air is not easy to calculate. In the first approximation, we could define the air section of the magnetic circuit as d times W if the magnetic flux in the air was just flowing through this area. But in fact, the magnetic flux goes in plenty other area, so the real air section is larger. But to fit the model with a real transformer, we just need to adjust the resistor R representing the air reluctance. In this example, we have a transformer with Np turns and a magnetic length L. To measure the leakage inductance, we short the secondary coil, so the magnetic flux is mainly located between both coils with a permeability μ0. As Ns equals Np, NSIS equals NpIp. Magnetic flux in the magnetic circuit is almost 0. If we represent both coils from top, we will see the same amount of current in the primary and in the secondary. In the case of Np equals Ns, we will get the same flux if we do a single winding as shown below with the same area S. Leakage magnetic flux phi F equal Ni over R. R equal L over μ0 S. So leakage flux equal μ0 NIS over L. The leakage inductance C from the primary side is μ0 Np squared S divided by L. In this example, the transformer has 4 primary layers with NL turns and a single layer for the secondary with NS equal NL. The secondary is shorted, so all the magnetic flux is located between coils, see the blue area, and the current relation is NSIS equal 4 NL times IP. In one layer of the primary side, we have NL times IP. To simplify the description, we will just zoom a sector of the coil from the top view. On this view, we will see the 4 NL IP current in the primary side and the NSIS in the shorted secondary coil. The first layer has NL times IP current, but the second layer current is equivalent as 2 times NL times IP in one way and one NL-IP in the opposite way. So the NL-IP on both directions can be seen as a single coil going back and forth as described in the previous slide, number 4. We continue with 3 times NL-IP in one way and twice NL-IP in the opposite way, then 4 and 3. The magnetic flux between two layers with NL-IP current is a leakage flux phi F. When the current is 2 times NL-IP, the flux is doubled, then 3 and 4 times more. With the current NP-IP, the leakage inductance LF is mu0 NL square S over L. But with 2 times NP-IP, the leakage inductance is 2 square LF, then 3 square LF, then 4 square LF. The leakage inductance from the primary side is LF times 1 plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square. So the sum of the square number is n times n plus 1 times 2n plus 1 divided by 6. For a single LP inductance, we can write UP equal LP times dIP over dt. For a single LS inductance, we can write US equal LS dis over dt. But if both inductances LP and LS are coupled, we need to add the mutual inductance to do the link between UP and IS and US and IP. But mutual inductance is not too much physical. If we short the primary UP equals 0, the inductance from the secondary is the leakage inductance, which is equal to LS minus M square over LP. So the mutual inductance M is equal to the square root LP times LS minus LF. If LF equals 0, ideal transformer, M is equal to the square root of LP-LS. I want to thank you for your attention. On my next Thierry Séquard tutorial number 11, I will present a transient and AC SPICE simulation of the ignition coil by using the physical transformer model. See you soon and stay tuned.